Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study better at university. First, establish a clear study schedule. Break down large assignments into smaller, manageable tasks, setting realistic deadlines for each. Prioritize your work based on importance and due dates to ensure you tackle the most critical items first. This structured approach helps you stay organized and reduces stress throughout your academic journey. Next, engage actively with your course material. Don't just passively read or listen. Instead, take concise, meaningful notes that capture key ideas. Participate in class discussions and ask questions to deepen your understanding. Summarize complex concepts in your own words, perhaps even teaching them to a friend to solidify your learning. Creating an optimal study environment is crucial for focus. Seek out a quiet, distraction-free space where you can concentrate without interruptions. Ensure you have good lighting and comfortable seating to prevent fatigue. Minimize digital distractions by turning off phone notifications and closing unnecessary browser tabs. A dedicated space helps train your brain to focus. Finally, consistent review and self-assessment are key to long-term retention. Regularly revisit your notes and course materials to reinforce what you've learned. Test your knowledge using practice questions, flashcards, or by explaining topics aloud. Identify any areas where your understanding is weak and dedicate extra time to mastering those concepts. This iterative process builds strong foundational knowledge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.